If you want students to be able to provide each other feedback on video or audio assignments, one way is to create an assignment folder within a Panopto course folder. This video will walk through the steps to set up the assignment folder in Panopto. In Panopto, open the course folder specific to the Moodle course. You can access this through the Browse menu in the left navigation of Panopto. Then click on the Settings. Select Create Assignment Folder in the Overview menu within Settings, then select the newly created assignment to manage its settings. In the Assignment Folder Settings view, choose the settings that will help the peer feedback process. Be sure to select Allow Viewers to see each other's sessions so that as soon as a student adds a video to the folder, other students in the class will be able to see the video and use the Panopto discussion feature to give comments to their peers. Selecting Enable Public Comments by default on all videos in the folder will make the process a little easier for students, as they will not have to individually control what parts of the discussion feedback are private versus viewable to their peers. After selecting the appropriate settings, close the Assignment Folder Settings window. The folder is now ready for submissions. You will need to copy a link to the main folder for the course and then add that link to your Moodle course. You should also provide instructions to students on how to access and record or upload to the right folder. Directions are on the DELTA Peer Review Teaching Resources page linked in the comments for this video.